Welcome to the Tejswi IP show. In this podcast, we dive into the world of intellectual property, like patents, copyright, trademark, geographical indication, design. Also analyze the recent event in IP world. Okay, let's unpack this. In the world of intellectual property, things are always moving, right?
Absolutely, always.
And today, August 5, 2025, has brought some really significant updates. Patents, copyrights, trademarks. We've got some big wins, some interesting challenges, and even a fresh look at what can actually be protected.
It's true. It's such a dynamic field. Staying informed isn't just helpful. It's crucial if you're operating in this area.
Definitely. So let's jump into patents first. Here's where it gets really interesting. BioNxt solution.
Ah, yes.
They're nearing full patent grants from the European Patent Office and the Eurasian Patent Organization.
Okay.
It's for their proprietary sublingual cladribine thin film formulation.
Right, the MS treatment.
Exactly. For multiple sclerosis, other autoimmune conditions, and it also covers oral dissolvable delivery systems for chemotherapy drugs.
That's quite a portfolio.
And national applications are advancing too. U.S., Canada, Japan, Australia, New Zealand. Key markets.
What's fascinating there, I think, is the global reach.
Yeah.
That kind of broad protection really signals significant advancements in how critical medications might be delivered, making them potentially more accessible, maybe.
That's the hope. But, it's not all smooth sailing in patents.
Rarely is.
A Paris judicial court has just invalidated a crucial claim of Bayer Healthcare's patent.
Oh, which one?
On Nexavar, the cancer drug.
Yeah.
They sided with generic companies like Teva and Sandoz.
Wow. Okay. That's big.
It could really shake things up for generic entry in Europe, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. If we connect this to the bigger picture, this ruling, it raises important questions, doesn't it, about patent longevity for these blockbuster drugs.
And affordability.
And the accessibility of generic alternatives, that balance between innovation and access. It's a constant tension.
Okay, on a different note, shifting gears a bit, there's a clarification from India. The Delhi High Court recently clarified that the simplicity of an invention, something like a vertical rotary parking system, for instance.
Right, practical stuff.
That simplicity is not a bar to patentability.
That's actually great news for innovators, isn't it?
I think so.
It reinforces that straightforward solutions can still get patent rights if they meet the criteria. Novelty, inventiveness.
Yeah.
This raises an important point, How does recognizing simplicity foster more innovation, especially for those practical, maybe everyday solutions, encouraging broader invention?
Good question. Now let's shift focus to copyright.
Okay.
While we haven't seen any huge landmark international rulings today, the policy debates are definitely still very much alive.
Oh, for sure. The focus remains heavily on updating copyright frameworks, trying to figure out AI-generated works.
That's the big one.
It really is. And of course, strengthening protections against content piracy.
Yeah.
That's always ongoing in global forums.
Right. Okay. Trademarks. Some positive developments here. India, for instance, is continuing to streamline its trademark system.
You've been working on that, yeah.
They've made digital signatures mandatory for all filings, which helps. Shortened examination periods.
Faster turnaround.
Fully resumed e-filing and public search. And new guidelines are making recognition of well-known trademarks simpler. Faster, too, for both domestic and international brands.
What's fascinating here is how these improvements can truly speed things up, accelerate brand protection, market entry. It makes India more attractive for businesses.
Definitely streamlines things. But then you have disputes, of course.
Always.
In the U.S., the Port of Mobile. In Alabama, they filed a lawsuit. Trademark infringement and cyber squatting against the developer.
Ah, domain names.
Yeah, it highlights that ongoing battle over domain name misuse and, the importance of brand protection, even in vital sectors like logistics. Your port's name is your brand.
It really is. It shows how brand protection keeps evolving, moving beyond just logos into digital assets, crucial infrastructure identities.
And finally, speaking of boundaries, there's this intriguing discussion happening in legal circles about the risks and limits of granting exclusive trademark rights over broad color schemes.
The color trademark debate, like trying to own a whole color.
Exactly. It follows a recent case challenging the boundaries of color exclusivity. Where do you draw the line?
Well, that is the important question, isn't it? Where do we draw the line protecting non-traditional trademarks like colors? It's a tricky balance. Distinctiveness versus, not letting someone monopolize something basic.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you? Today's updates really show just how dynamic IP is. From breakthrough drug patents and these big legal challenges to evolving ideas about what you can even protect.
Like simplicity or colors.
Right. And those ongoing efforts to streamline systems and fight infringement.
It's a field constantly adapting. New tech, global commerce. It just reminds us that knowledge is most valuable when you understand it and can apply it.
True.
And there's always, always more to learn in IP.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more upcoming episodes, and for reliable and expert intellectual property legal services, contact our firm, Tejswi IP today. Our team of experienced attorneys is dedicated to helping individuals and businesses safeguard their intellectual property rights in the digital age.